Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I'd quickly create this video and show you how to unlock everything in WWE 2K25 using a locker code. These are the best currently working available WWE 2K25 locker codes that you can grab right now, guys. And I spent a long time doing what I'm doing here, searching Google and YouTube, trying the locker codes, and I've actually managed to find one that's going to unlock all the characters in WWE 2K25 and basically all unlockables, and you can redeem it in game. And yeah, these are working right now. So let's get into the video. You're going to need to use your mobile phone internet browser. You can do this on iPhone or Android. You of course have to have an internet connection, and basically to get your WWE 2K25 locker code, you need to head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it into my internet. So you can pause the video and copy that down, Cold Coupons. Now, if you haven't seen this website before, they have pages and pages of game codes. They have mobile games, they have like console games. So go to the search bar and just type in WWE 2K25. And this is the page. Oops, where is it? Let's go back to that. Sorry, guys. Go to here, WWE 2K25. Sorry, just find this page, guys. Apologies for that. So just find WWE. And this is the locker code. This is a WWE 2K25 unlock everything. So this is a simple code, guys, that you can grab, and it's going to unlock all with this master locker code. So this is basically a secret locker code that's going to unlock every single unlockable in WWE 2K25. And basically these are limited codes. Obviously this is a pretty desirable code, and you do need to unlock your personal WWE 2K25 locker code. And this basically stops people from taking all of the available codes. So to unlock your personal code, click on this button and just simply follow the instructions on this screen. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. Now these tasks are completely free, and they sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's basically how they can supply these codes to us. They're really easy things like installing mobile applications and playing mobile games, answering surveys. Just read the small text, because that does tell you basically how to complete each task. So if you complete 2 of them, I'm going to skip forward. Your locker code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in game, and that is basically how to unlock everything in WWE 2K25 using a locker code. So go to Cold Coupons and find the 2K25 page. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment in the comment section below. If this worked for you, smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.